Hello guys and welcome. Today's video will be about Wufoo. Wufoo is an online form building tool that lets you create custom forms and collection information from your website visitors. With Wufoo, you can easily create forms for things like surveys, contact forms, even registration, and more, without needing any coding knowledge or skills. So after heading to the website, you sign up for free. You need your email address, a password, and a username. And you click sign up for free. So one of the best thing about Wufoo is how easy it is to use. It's a drag and drop. The form builder lets you create custom fields and add them to your form in just few clicks. You can also customize the design of your form using a variety of pre-built themes and templates or by creating your own custom CSS. So welcome to the new experience. Wufoo has excited, exciting new features and a new look. You can learn more about it here. New forms and entries look, easier file management, same great form builder. Let's get started. You don't have any forms. You click here to create form. Let's first check your email verification has your email has not been verified. Let's head to Gmail and verify our account. Wufoo team, please verify your email. Verify your email. And here, let's refresh the page. If this didn't go away, your email is still non-verified. Okay, now my email is verified. Let's check the plans and subscriptions. So another great feature of Wufoo is its integration options. Wufoo can connect with variety of other tools and platforms, including email marketing service like MailChimp and Constant Contact, payment processors like PayPal and Stripe, and CRMs like Salesforce and Zoho. So we have the starter pack, $14.08 per month. So $169 annually. We have the professional, the advanced, the ultimate. Compare between plans, starter, the professional, the advanced, the ultimate. So those are some compares. So let's head back to forms and try to create our first one. Start from scratch or use an already ready created template. So we have here the forms, party invitation, New Year party invitation. We have invitations, lead generations, online orders, registration, survey, tracking. Let's use this and use it. So Wufoo also includes helpful analytics and reporting features. You can track how your forms and performing and make improvement over time. And with its user-friendly interface and affordable pricing plans, I don't agree with this. Wufoo is a great option for businesses and individuals looking to create professional-looking forms without a lot of technique. So here You can add fields, field settings, and form settings. So here you can edit it or publish it. We have more options. You can view, rename, label, duplicate, delete, make private, set passwords, form rules, notifications, integration, and analytics, API informations. So here we have the account settings. This is your subdomain, like it's shown here. We have the account manager, the forms, the entries, all the statistics. We have the plan, user, forms, entries, reports, payments, and SSL. We have here you put your, you can change your user information by clicking here. So user management is like form management. You confirm your password, change your password, name, email change, company name, the time zone. You almost got it right, but okay, you have it right. You can do the following: create new forms, report team. You can access to forms, report, and team. Add permissions to others. You have 0 user left. Upgrade for more. You can't add new user unless you upgrade. We have the activity log. We have the pricing, the teams. Damn, I like the dinosaurs. Customize your forms with logo and more. We have the form title section, the field title, the, the text, another field title. Here we have files, access to the file manager. You can upload new file, template, and others here. So as I said, it has a user-friendly uh, interface that helps you to do anything. So easy and simple. Here you can sort them, delete all, view labels. Here you see your analytics. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.